In this video, we'll walk you through how to install your phone mount step by step. Let's start with the different mounting bases. Dashboard clip mount. Simply pull open the clip and attach it to the surface. You can reposition it any time, and it won't block your view. It fits most surfaces under 5 centimeters or 2 inches. Display screen mount. This is the display screen mount. It works with both trapezoid and rectangular screens. Pull out the telescopic arm and place it onto the screen edge. Adjust it to the right position. Peel off the adhesive backing and press firmly. Tighten the screen locking screw, then fine-tune your viewing angle. The ball joint rotates freely with multiple angle adjustments. You can also open the back cover and remove the ball joint. Flip it, rotate it, or swap directions just like Lego. Reassemble it for different setups, from rearview mirrors to your PC or laptop. Air vent mount. Turn the knob to loosen the hook. Attach it to the air vent blade. Tighten the knob to secure. Installation takes just seconds. Adhesive base mount. For a cleaner, space-saving setup, use the adhesive base. Clean the surface before installation. Peel off the adhesive film and stick it in place. Press firmly to secure. The flexible base fits curved surfaces and can also be used at home. For best results, wait 24 hours before use. Now let's choose the holder that fits your phone. Compact clamp. Loosen the locking ring. Attach it to the ball joint and tighten. Adjust the width to fit your phone. If you're using the charging module, insert it into the center and connect to power. Luxury cabin clamp. Adjust the clamp width. Attach it to the ball joint and tighten. Insert the charging cable and press the module into place. Once set up, it creates a secure, customized space for your phone. 4-jaw clamp. Attach the clamp to the ball joint, tight and securely. Just place your phone in easy, one-hand operation. Rearview mirror mount. Next, let's look at the rearview mirror mount. Extend the arm and turn the knob to remove the holder clamp. The holder clamp can also be used separately as a selfie stick. Remote available for purchase. Open the U-shaped lock and hook it onto the mirror. Tighten the knobs to lock it onto the mirror. Adjust the angle and lock it in place. Put back the holder clamp. That's it, secure and ready to drive. Mix and match. Install it your way. BelleViewWay. Drive smarter, live better.